That's right, guys. It is 6:30 October 2nd. I literally, I got out of work maybe 40 minutes ago, and we were headed straight to the lakefront. I'm gonna do some casting this evening for salmon once again. This is outing number 17 of the year. It's been a tough one this year for me, but as always, I feel like today might be my day. Let's go. Alright guys, we are here. It looks like we might be the only people at the Fullerton Bridge spot this Saturday evening. Made it. That Saturday night traffic. Like I said, we had a long day today. I got out of work about 6:30. It is now, it's 7:14 p.m. and we are going to head over to our spot next to the Fullerton Bridge over here to see if we can cast and catch a king Chinook salmon. Let me give you the time right here. 7:14, October 2nd. Let's go. Alright guys, we want to catch a king salmon. We're in Chicago. Let's look no further than the lure that has more effort put into it than any other. Jason Special designed this lure. It's a Jason Special custom design, and he's been doing this year after year after year extremely successfully. So if I want to get on the board, let's not go with what's right. Check it out, let's go. That's a fish, guys. Yeah, I think so, yeah. It doesn't, it's not big. It's not big at all, but it's a fish. Woo! Oh man, this guy is a What is it? What is it? You know what? I'm not sure what it is yet. There we are. There we are. Hell yeah. Finally, bro. I've been doing this shit since September 5th. He's small. Woo! Yeah, little Chinook. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, finally, bro. It feels so good. So good. There we are, guys. Persistence, persistence, persistence. We got up early this morning. We did our work shift. Got home extremely late, about 6 p.m. We still got out here about 7. Right now, the time is 8:37 p.m. And finally, This is my 17th outing for these guys this year. Finally I get one. Let's go. That's caught on a Yo-Zuri crystal A minnow, known as a Jason Special. He custom paints them. Let's see if we can get this hook out. There we are. It's gonna come right out perfectly. That was, I mean, for a small fish, what a fight. There we are, guys. Chicago Chinook King Salmon fishing. You saw it was not easy. It takes a lot of work, a lot of effort, a lot of persistence. But this is a perfect eater right here. This one we're gonna keep. See those teeth? Beautiful fish. Chinook King Salmon, baby. Let's go. You know how we do, guys. That fish came on a Yo-Zuri crystal A minnow, Jason Custom Special. Let's go. So I have a little river otter thing trying to eat my shit. Oh, I just missed one. Had him on and then he got off. Wow, guys, this must be a record. Look at that. To me, that looks like an extremely small rock bass. Again, this year has been phenomenal. I feel like things have spawned twice instead of the usual once. He's not going to survive, but that is a very small rock bass from this year. Alright, guys, this is going to do it for us tonight. Got our first king of the year. Even though I started on September 5th, it took me October 2nd, my 17th outing, to finally catch one. Persistence pays off. It's a beautiful eater male, smaller one, so we are going to keep it. Thank you guys very much for watching. Please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I will also show you how to catch these things. Some of the lures that you should be using at the end of this video. Thank you again. Yeah, nice fish, yeah? Alright guys, just to give you a little bit of an idea, this is my salmon box. It's got a bunch of loose leader line in there. But these slimmer profile lures, specifically these lures that are designed for walleye, that are made to run deeper, including some of these guys right here, are ideal for salmon. These Great Lakes Chinook salmon, like a crocodile, they love a good tail wobbler, low Cleo, things like that early. But once about September 20th hits and further on, they like to hit crankbaits. So that's when we like to use these slender profile lures. Like this is a Yo-Zuri crystal A minnow. This is one of the sought out lures in Chicago for the Kings. A man named Jason Custom Special makes these. He custom paints them They glow in the dark, and the action is just absolutely ideal for a Chinook salmon. You can buy your own Yozari crystalline minnows, or you can seek out Jason Custom Special on Instagram and buy your own. Thank you, sir, for getting me my first Chinook this year, as well as last year. I've been doing very well, as many other people have been doing very well on these Jason Custom Specials.